To first set up Redmi 15, first of all, you will have to just turn on the phone by clicking and holding the power key, and now click on this arrow to select language. So we will go for English for sure, and now we have to click next. Now we have to select our region from the list. I will go with the Poland, click next, and over here we got the terms and the conditions, so we have to scroll down, accept, and click next again. Over here we can set our device by using other device, so basically we can now transfer data, but I'm not gonna do this. I want to get a quick fresh start. So I'm gonna click skip over here. Now you can input SIM card, and the SIM slot is located on the left upper corner, so you have to just apply that SIM injection tool, take it off, input card into the first or second slot, just like this. And now you will have to put it back. Okay, and in this step we can connect into the Wi-Fi network by selecting one of it. And now we have to input password. Over here we can add our Google account. If you don't have one, then you can create it just over here. Now click next and select who will be using this device. Click next in the right bottom corner and click I agree. Over here you can transfer some applications. You can click next, but in my case, I want to do this faster, so I'm gonna select do not copy. And now we can set a screen lock, so we can just click over here for pattern, pin, or password. You can also use fingerprint sensor or face unlock, but you can also skip this and set this later. So this is just up to your preferences. Over here, we got some Google services features like use location, allow scanning for the nearby devices, send usage and diagnostic data, and I would actually recommend you to turn off the first and the second one, stay with the location, and now click accept in the right bottom corner. Over here you can quickly back up all of your photos and videos and stuff from your Google account to your new Redmi 15, so yes, for sure. Now we have to select browser and search engine. So in my case, Google Chrome, click set as default, and also Google as a search engine, click to set as default. Over here, we'll have to select continue. We can set this right now so we can find the nearby and the share. Let's say I'm gonna agree for this one. Now we can turn on and turn off the Gemini AI assistant from Google. Honestly, I don't want to do this. I don't want to use this feature, so select no thanks. Now we can add Google Pay, so our cards, by clicking just over here, we can input all of the cards data. And now we can click, you can select no thanks. And don't worry, everything that you have selected right now, you can also change later in these settings. Now another options, I will recommend you to turn off send usage and diagnostic data, turn off user experience program, and that's basically everything. Click next at the bottom of the screen. You can turn on the parental controls, but not for me, so go forward. Over here you can change the font style. I will stay with this second one, Mi Sans. Click next. Now we can set our lock screen, so that will be wallpaper carousel that will automatically change your wallpaper, but I don't recommend you to use it because it's gonna drain a lot of battery. And now we can select your default launcher. I really like App Drawer, so I'm gonna stay with this one. Now click next and just wait. Over here you've got recommendation for some apps to download, but I will unselect them. Okay, we cannot do this, so we have to do this one by one manually. Click next, and now we can select navigation method, gestures or buttons. I will go for the buttons, and now just wait for the wallpaper screen and the setup is finished.